Hello, if you want to recover deleted files on POCO X7 Pro, then you have two main ways to do so. If you have deleted photos or videos, then you can go to the gallery. In the gallery, you can tap on these three dots in the top right corner and then go to recently deleted items. And here, in order to recover them, you can simply press and hold your finger on the first item or first file, and then you can select another one that you wish to, for instance, recover, and so on. And then you can press restore at the bottom. Now, if you have deleted something else than photos or videos, you can use the Files app by Google. You can open it, then in the top left corner tap on these three lines here, and here you will find Trash. Now you can select photos, videos, and every other file that you have removed in the last 30 days, and then you can restore them over here by pressing this button. And as you can see, it also includes photos and videos just like in the gallery, but in addition to that, we can also find here such stuff like audio files or documents or anything else. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.